This crazy looking thing is a real flower, and it happens to be one of my favorites, and it's got actually a really cool story that is attached to it. So this is called the passion flower, and this flower can come in a wide variety of colors, including bright red. And yes, this is where the passion fruit comes from, is from some of these varieties of passion flower that actually produce fruit. Now it's called the passion flower because a lot of people think that this flower was used as a representation to explain the passion of the Christ that these Spanish missionaries used when they were talking to new communities that had not heard about this before. So we're going to start with the 10 petals that are all the way around the lower level of the plant and work our way up. These 10 petals are said to represent the 10 disciples of Jesus that stayed faithful to him throughout the Passion. As we move our way up, we'll see this ring of filaments that goes all the way around the middle section of the flower, and these filaments are said to represent the crown of thorns that Jesus wore. Then as we move up, we'll see 5 anthers. These anthers are where the pollen is produced on the flower, and these 5 anthers actually represent the 5 wounds that Christ suffered during the crucifixion. Then as we move up to the top of the flower, you'll see these 3 things sticking out that are called the styles. You'll notice that they're in this shape kind of like nails. So those represent the nails that held Jesus onto the cross. The absolute craziness of this flower is why I love it, but the story just makes it so much more intriguing. So this is a really cool flower, really fun story, and a really nice vine to grow up your trellises or fences.